Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm be getting my hair braided today. And my last couple of videos, I think my first one about my business, my hair was braided, but it was really like long. But today we're going to do a braid inspired by Amrezy, and post her picture here. She has like the low pointy tail right here that goes to braid and the slick back. That's what we're gonna do today, and I'm just doing my makeup so we can take some pictures afterwards. So yeah, if you want to see how I get my hair braided like Amrezy, please keep watching. looks, and it's super long, but I definitely recommend hitting him up. He's so good at doing braids. It's Joe Braids on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram down below for you guys. And yeah. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Amrezy hairstyle. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you do follow me on my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.